shift in investor interest in passive strategies across a variety of types, ETFs, index funds, etc. I think it creates opportunities for active investors because the more money is invested from this macro, top-down, or passive perspective, the more opportunities are left for active stock pickers. The more average investors ignore or don't care about company specifics, the more informational advantage accrues to the stock-specific investor. So yes, I think this is a really exciting opportunity for active stock pickers like myself. The debate about stocks is often quite dominated by macroeconomic news. Which sectors are right in this part of the cycle, which regions are experiencing better growth. And the data that we've seen, our own research and our own experience suggests that the biggest driver of equity returns is stock specifics, and in particular stock specific change. Something that's happening within the business or in the operating environment of the business of an individual company ultimately is what makes the most difference to company fundamentals and ultimately drives the share price. Our investment process is all about looking for undiscovered or mispriced change. In fact, it's called focus on change. And to do that well, I think we have the right ingredients. We have a very consistent, disciplined process applied across the world. We have more than 100 investors, 60 in equity, 45 in credit, looking for individual changes in the individual companies. And then we work in a very collaborative and integrated fashion, finding opportunities but also analyzing them across the world in a very joined up manner, and putting together very high conviction portfolios based on our findings. The opportunities that we find stem from company-specific change, but then we look to exploit them in different ways depending on the client objectives. For the clients seeking capital growth, we have Global Equity Unconstrained Fund, high conviction, benchmark agnostic, concentrated portfolio of our very best ideas. For clients who care more about income, we have Global Equity Income Fund. Again, very high conviction, very high active share, but applying filters of high income, income growth, or income surprise in company's ability in deliver dividends and buybacks to the investors. And both strategies delivered very strong returns ahead of the benchmark, ahead of the peer group, in line with their objectives.